Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young girl named Lily. She was known for her curiosity and her love for adventure, but she struggled with patience. One day, she discovered a peculiar, shimmering stream that flowed through the heart of the village. The stream was called Glide. Intrigued, Lily decided to find out more about it. She spent days and nights observing Glide, but it remained a mystery. Frustrated by her lack of progress, she decided to confront the village elder, Old Man Zephyr. Old Man Zephyr, with his wise, twinkling eyes, listened to Lily's tale. He smiled and said, "Patience, my dear Lily, is the key to understanding Glide." Lily, however, found it hard to be patient. She tried to rush the answers, but every time, Glide remained a mystery. One day, while she was sitting by the stream, she noticed a small, colorful fish swim up to her. It was a fish she had never seen before, and it seemed to understand her frustration. "Why do you rush, Lily?" the fish asked. "Patience is a gift, not a burden. Let Glide reveal itself to you in its own time." Lily took the fish's words to heart. She started spending more time by Glide, not trying to force its secrets, but enjoying its calming presence. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Lily continued her peaceful vigil by Glide. One day, as she watched the sun set over the hills, she saw it. Glide began to glow, a soft, warm light cascading over the water. Lily couldn't believe her eyes. She had been so focused on the mystery that she had overlooked the magic. The glow grew brighter and brighter, until it engulfed the entire stream. Lily realized that she had been so close to discovering Glide's secret all along. From that day forward, Lily understood the importance of patience. She learned that sometimes, the answers we seek come to us when we least expect them, and that perseverance is key. Lily's journey with Glide taught her a valuable lesson about patience and perseverance. She continued to visit Glide, not to solve mysteries, but to find peace and comfort in its calming presence. And so, she grew, not just in knowledge, but in wisdom and understanding. And as for Glide, it continued to flow, a magical stream that taught lessons to all who took the time to listen.